So guys, as we have said it, this week was jammed packed full of releases from the Model Y Performance to V14 to the standard variants. All of this happened within days, if not hours apart from each other. But it doesn't even end there. As we got closer to the end of this week, Tesla decided to drop a banger of an update, bringing so much improvements and fun to the entire UI that it feels like an entirely new early update to what's to come later this year. Just this past Friday, Tesla started rolling out its latest software update 2025.38, and it packs with a mix of practical improvements, visual upgrades, and a few fun additions. The update brings a significant change to the visual interface, improving both the look and feel of the system while adding several quality of life features. Starting off, Tesla's dashcam functionality received two notable improvements in this update, with the first one being enhanced recording titles. Each dashcam recording now includes the street name along with the city or town. This makes finding past recordings far easier whether you're viewing them in the in-car dashcam viewer or from the Tesla app. Tesla has also increased the streaming quality for dashcam videos viewed through the Tesla app. This update not only boosts streaming resolution but also intelligently adjusts the bitrate based on the connection. This means streaming is much smoother on weaker connections without compromising visual and video quality, while the original full quality footage remains on the USB drive. Another highlight of this software is the new scroll wheel function. Tesla has expanded the customization for the left scroll wheel quick menus. By holding down the left scroll wheel, you can now access either a single function or a scrollable menu through multiple options. The newly added functions including muting or unmuting navigations, enabling or disabling bioweapon defense mode, music light sync options, and many more. Third on the list is one of the most exciting, profile locking with phone key. This new security and convenience feature allows you to lock a specific driver profile to a single phone, ensuring it can only be accessed by those specific keys. What this means is that if someone tries to select a profile without the linked phone key in proximity, a profile lock message appears, and all locked profiles also have their profile picture hidden in the vehicle selection menu. This is an excellent solution for families with multiple drivers or those who rent out their vehicles, as it keeps the primary owner's profile completely locked away. Next on the list, Grok has finally made its way over to Canada. Tesla's AI assistant Grok has officially launched within the country. This marks the first international expansion for the feature outside of the United States. Canadian owners with premium connectivity can now enable Grok by holding down the voice command button or by tapping onto the display. And finally, one of the most visually striking change in this update is the introduction of 3D building and cityscapes directly built into the navigation for maps. For owners who subscribe to premium connectivity, a new cube icon on the map screen enables a fully rendered 3D view of buildings, adding a new layer of visual depth and immersion, something likely in preparation for what's expected to come in the future robotaxi service. Alright, so it's definitely hard to believe that in the midst of all the different product launches this past week, that they were working on something truly incredible in the background. My personal favorites here has to be the 3D map, which kind of resembles Apple Map, and then the profile locking feature. That is the best one yet. This is perfect if you share your car with family members and not wanting them to scroll through your Spotify or through your web browsing history. And then it's critically important if you rent your car out on Turo, or if you eventually put it onto the robotaxi network. This update brings so many quality of life improvements, but it doesn't even end there. Tesla has just dropped an unexpected update, a new feature that completely changes the entire UI. Everything that you experience on the screen is entirely new. In a surprise move timed with the Tron eras over the weekend, Tesla has begun rolling out a new update that lets owners animate their dashboard to resemble the Tron light cycle. Tesla teased the update saying that the grid has expanded to your Tesla Tron Eras update rolling out now. The effect is optional and can be enabled through the toy box in the vehicle setting. While the company shared few details, they posted a video showing that owners can turn on the theme to see a Tron light cycle animation on the main display, replacing the standard car avatar with high detailed visuals. For new cars equipped with ambient lighting strips, the effect extends throughout the cabin, reacting dynamically to what's happening on the display while full self-driving supervised is active. There is also a new vehicle parked animation showing a close-up of Tron character and light cycle. The update is rolling out to everyone and is compatible with Hardware 3 and Hardware 4 system using the Ryzen processor. Unfortunately, vehicles using Intel-based chip is not supported with this update. Then now, to wrap it all up, a few additional small updates came with this update shared in the release notes. Apple Music enhancements. The app now includes an organized playlist with expanded art pages and a recently played section showing more of your listening history. Faster media login. You can now log in to the streaming services directly through a Tesla app notification on your phone, making the process smoother and quicker. And finally, onboarding guides now come included with your car. A new guide helps owner learn the basics of using a Tesla, covering driver settings, touchscreen use, lights, wipers, autopilot, and so much more. So there we have it, guys. Really incredible stuff packed within this update. I can't even speak for the incredible amount of work Tesla's team must have put into creating this new visual in the very last minute, just in time for the movie debut. What's even more incredible, however, is the buttery smooth animation that is on your display, and all of this is through the only way possible, and that is just perfect engineering and optimization. And this could only be done on the Tesla infotainment screen. There is no other manufacturer out there that puts Ryzen chip, a PC performance CPU inside of a car and makes it perform this way. So this is the only way that you're able to get such amazing buttery smooth animations. As for all the other enhancements and features, 3D mapping really wicked, and the profile locking feature, this is probably the most handy and is probably the one I'm going to be using the most. Pretty much everything that we've been asking for that was missing in a car is now here in a simple software update. Again, no other car in the world able to do this just through an OTA. So Tesla is really the only choice. I hope you guys enjoyed this update. Just a quick little one here, but I will continue to keep an eye out for everything that comes out and update you as quickly as possible. So I would love it if you stick around, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification if you haven't done so already, and follow me on X at HeyJohnny. Over there, you can see things you won't be able to see over here, and you can chat with me anytime. I'll respond as quickly as possible. Anyways, this should be it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. This is John once again. Peace out.